Hello, in this video I'm going to show the speed up tricks on POCO Pad M1. Okay, let's begin with opening up our settings and let's get access into developer options. First, click on About Tablet, and now in here we have the OS version. We need to tap on it a few times in a row until we see that we are a developer. In my case, it won't pop out because I am already a developer. So now go back, go into, I need to find where it is exactly. The additional settings, scroll down all the way and click on developer options. Okay, and now let's keep scrolling down until we see 4 specific options. I will tell you which one exactly. Here are the first 3. It's animated duration scale, transition animation scale, and the window animation scale. As you take a look, all 3 of them are currently set on 1x. And to improve the performance of our tab, we can select all 3 of them on 0.5, or we can completely turn them off. It is up to you. Simply don't go higher than 1x because it will be only worse, it will slow your device, so don't go higher than 1x. For me, a perfect balance between off and 1x is of course 0.5, so that's the value that I'm about to select for all 3 of those options. Now let's scroll down again a little bit until we find the apps and the background process limit. Currently, as you can see, it's set on standard, but we can select at most 3 or at most 4 processes. It is up to you. I'll stick to at most 4. Okay, that's all when it comes to developer options. From here, let's go straight into the battery. And in here, I'm wondering, do we have the power mode? But I think that we don't. Alright, so let's go into the apps then. Okay, in here, as you take a look, we have a long list of all apps installed on our device. And here, simply, if you have some of the apps that you are not using, you can simply uninstall them. For example, I'm not using the Netflix, so I can uninstall it because it's only taking my storage space away. And remember that if you have, the more storage space you have, your your tab will work better. Also, there is a faster way of uninstalling the apps. You can simply find them on your home screen, then simply hold on the icon, and in here we have the bin icon. Simply tap on that and you'll be able to uninstall the app. When it comes to that list, remember that some of those apps are system apps and uninstalling them is impossible. And don't try to force stop them, for example, because something bad may happen. Only uninstall the apps that you have downloaded manually. Or for example, apps such as, Spotify, Netflix that I have just uninstalled because they are not system apps, and uninstalling them won't cause anything bad. In certain apps, we also have possibility to clear the cache. For example, in my case, it will be available in the Chrome. That's my browser that I'm using every day. And in here, we can click on the storage, and we have the cache. And actually, currently, I don't have enough cache to be... I cannot delete it because I don't have enough, but remember that you shouldn't click on clear data because it will... Oh, actually, it's in one spot, my bad. In here we can click on clear cache, click on OK. Don't worry, clearing the cache won't delete any of your data. Cache is basically junk files that are stacked in our browser, and clearing them is completely okay. Okay, from that place, let's go into security, and in here, currently it's scanning, we should have possibility to click the optimize button. Yeah, it's always good to click that button when we have possibility to do it. Really worth doing. Thanks to that, our device will be working with its best condition. Alright, in here we can also click on the cleanup. And we can clean another files. Alright, really useful thing. In here we also have suggestion that we are not using certain apps and we can uninstall them. Everything is of course up to you, but in here also some of those apps are system apps. Okay. We can also perform a deep clean to also uninstall certain apps. For example, I can delete one big file. I'm wondering what it is, so I will delete it. All right, boom. And now we have also gained some free storage space. Really useful thing. We also have the boost speed feature, worth enabling. Okay, and we have freed up 430 megabytes, and now our device is 4% faster. Also pretty cool thing. If you want, you can add a widget into your home screen, so you'll be able to quickly perform that speed boost. Also, during day-to-day use, there's a huge chance that you have a lot of apps opened in the background. If you have, simply slide to the app side, and if a lot of them are opened in the background, simply manually close them up, because they're only taking your storage space, your RAM away, and that might be also the problem why your device isn't working fast. Okay, and the last thing that I'm about to show you is how to perform a reboot. Rebooting your device from time to time, for example once a week, is completely okay and even recommended, because basically during the reboot our phone rests and the RAM gets freed up, and it might help with the performance. To reboot the device, we need to launch the power menu. We do it by clicking the power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that. And now select reboot, release your finger, and now we just need to simply wait until the device turns on. Everything will be done automatically. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.